How to save post in edits. In this video I'm going to show you how you can save post or reels. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom you can see this play button. Simply tap on it. So these are the reels or even the posts that are available. Now first scroll down to which you want to save. Now here on the right bottom you can see this save button. Simply tap on save. So as you can see, it has been saved. So where is it now? So there is no option like saved once in edits. You must directly open your Instagram ID and look out in the saved ones. So first open your Instagram ID and you'll be able to see the saved ones right in your profile. So here you can see your saved ones by going to your settings. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.